Hey there, here's how to make really thick oatmeal in the microwave. Microwave oatmeal is often seen as not as good as stovetop oatmeal, but you can still make really nice and thick oats on the microwave. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 1/2 cup of oats, measured, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a pinch of salt. Start by adding the oats to your bowl. Now add salt. My personal preference, kind of like to mix it around a little. Never tried it without, but whatever. So now you just add the water on top. No need to mix or anything. Just add it. Now you want to stick it in the microwave for 1 minute. A minute now, so it looks like this. Gonna take it out. So this step's gonna be really important if you want the really thick texture of oatmeal. Now you just add your chia seeds. Chia seeds, really healthy, add extra protein, fiber, and omega-3s, and they will make your oatmeal thicker. Start stirring your chia seeds into your oatmeal. You want to take your time with this. Make sure you get your chia seeds evenly incorporated. Get them everywhere. Let them even soak up some of the water. It's gonna take a minute-ish. I don't know. Just be patient. Still a really quick one though. Don't have to wait for the water to boil, right? After a minute or so, yeah, less than a minute, I don't know. After this much stirring, it's gonna be already thick enough. You're gonna think, I just eat this. But seriously, stick it in for another minute, it's gonna be even better. 1 more minute in the microwave. It's been in the microwave for 1 more minute now. Oh. Let's take it out now. Give it a little stir to make sure the texture is more even. Completely optional, but I just like to do this, and I like stirring. It's satisfying. Add your favorite toppings, whatever that might be for you. Just really quickly. Want to see some texture? Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. See y'all next time.